Welcome to the First Annual Burping Contest.
I'm Michaela. That's Michaela. I'm Michelle. We're burping.
Oh wait, that was weak.
We're females.
No, we're male.
We're feminine.
We're feminine. We have... Never mind, I'm being inappropriate. Wait, mine are so weak.
Because your mommy's not awesome like mine and taught me how to burp, dude.
Are you dissing my mother? She might be watching this. What if she's watching this and you just dissed her? That was weak. You know what? I don't ever get to see you burping in my face.
That was kind of awesome.
Wait, mine are so little.
In your face. Like everything else, like everything else on your body.
You call this...
I'm not wearing a bra, thank you very much.
That's lovely to know.
Owie.
I'm not gonna throw up every time you burp, but it's not healthy. We're a Sour Patch Kid. Do you want... Wait, I can't give them more. It's quite gross.
Don't hurt me. Here comes Bigfoot. Uh-oh. I kind of spit on her. Did you see that? Did you witness that bad thing?
Kill you.
Oh God, I'm running. I'm gonna bite you. Oh my God, she really is gonna kill me. Don't throw it over the edge. No. Okay. I'll be your best friend, I promise. Make you promise, Bruce, please. Don't hit me with the book. Please. I'm sorry, I was just laughing really hard. Okay. That was kind of not good. I'm not wearing any makeup. Isn't that fascinating? Oh, she wants you.